Decorating your home is an exciting endeavor that allows you to infuse your space with personality and style. The question of how often to refresh your decor can help you determine the optimal frequency for updating your home's aesthetics. Consider lifestyle or changes in family dynamic. A growing family, empty nesting, or even a pet can influence your decor needs. Major life changes might prompt frequent update to accommodate requirement. Interior design trends evolve over time. Many homeowners enjoy incorporating new style. If you're drawn to contemporary aesthetics or love to experiment with different looks, you might find yourself updating every few years to stay in tune with latest trend. High traffic areas or furnishings wear and tear. Regularly assess the condition of decor element. If certain pieces show significant signs of wear, consider replacing or refreshing them to maintain a polished appearance. Seasonal and holiday decor changes can be a delightful way to keep your space feeling fresh. You might update decor for specific holidays or adapt to the changing seasons. These changes can be as simple as swapping out accessories and textiles. Personal preference plays a significant role. Some homeowners prefer a consistent and timeless look that doesn't require frequent updates. Others thrive on change and enjoy experimenting with different aesthetics. Updating your decor can range from minor changes to major overhauls. Consider your budget and plan accordingly. Smaller updates like new cushions, artwork, or lighting can be done more frequently, while larger renovations might be spaced out over several years. When addressing maintenance or repairs, it's an opportune time to consider decor updates as well. Combining practical updates with can yield a refreshed look without adding additional inconvenience. If you're planning to sell your home, strategically updating your decor can enhance appeal and attract potential buyers. Freshening up paint, replacing dated fixtures, and ensuring a cohesive design can boost your home's appeal on the market. Remains a reflection of your evolving tastes. Follow us and get more details.